Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Priscilla. I am a native English speaker and I live in the US. Today I'm going to read you a story about confidence and your English fluency. The title of the story is Forge Your Confidence, The Journey to Mastery. In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a young girl named Maya. From a young age, Maya dreamed of mastering the art of ballet. She admired the graceful movements of the dancers she watched on stage and longed to one day step into their shoes. But Maya soon realized that becoming a skilled ballerina required more than just talent. It demanded unwavering dedication, resilience, and perseverance. Each day, Maya pushed herself to the brink, practicing tirelessly despite the physical and mental challenges she faced. Through sweat and tears, Maya slowly but surely honed her skills, building the strength and stamina needed to excel in her craft. She embraced every setback as an opportunity to learn and grow, refusing to let fear or doubt hold her back. Years passed, and Maya's efforts bore fruit. With every fluid movement and graceful leap, she exuded confidence and satisfaction, a testament to her unrelenting perseverance and unyielding spirit. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below to share your thoughts on Maya's journey. Listen to this creative story about Maya as many times as you need. Then write one sentence in the comment section below about one thing that you remember. Thanks for practicing.